Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by powering down and unplugging. Once done, wait about 60 seconds so residual charge drops. This prevents shorts while you work. Place the console on a clean, static-free surface and attach an anti-static strap if you have one. Next, locate the corner notch and slide the outer cover toward the vent, then lift gently. You're creating access to the controller, receiver, and trigger area. Do this carefully to avoid scratching or forcing clips. Precision here prevents damage later. Now you'll expose the R2 mechanism inside the controller area. Once the cover is removed, identify the trigger hinge and the small retaining screws that secure the trigger assembly. Use a PH0 or PH00 screwdriver to remove the screws carefully and place them in an organized tray so none go missing. After screws are out, lift the trigger assembly slowly to reveal the tactile switch or linkage for R2. Take photos as you go. They help you remember orientation and spring positions for reassembly. To remove the R2 button, first disconnect any ribbon cable or flex connector. If it's soldered, desolder with a fine tip and steady hand. Remove the faulty tactile switch or linkage and swap in the replacement, making sure contacts align. Once replaced, reconnect cables and test the trigger input using the Ps5 controller test menu before sealing the cover. If the trigger still misbehaves, double-check ribbon alignment, connector seating, and solder joints for cold solder or broken traces. If unsure, consult a
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.